What's up YouTube, welcome to Complete Tech Review. So let's do an unboxing of the Xiaomi Yi home security camera, which is Wi-Fi enabled. If you're looking for a home security device which not only easily connects to your Wi-Fi network but also the app ecosystem is user-friendly, then the Xiaomi Yi camera is the one for you. The box packing is pretty good, and once when you open the box you get to see the Yi dome camera, an adapter, a USB cable which is in white, a user manual and also a warranty card. The links to purchase this product are in the YouTube show notes. I have picked it up from Amazon in the recent sale for around 1700 rupees. Couple of standout features that it includes is that it records in 720p video resolution, which is HD. It comes with infrared night vision, and also the lens is a 111 degree wide angle lens. It also has 4x digital zoom. It records at 720p HD resolution, and the image sensor is an f2.0 aperture, which is 111 degree wide angle lens. It also comes with a 940 nm infrared sensor which can be used for night vision activity, and it also comes with activity alert with motion detection technology where you can monitor all your activities on your cell phone, and this subscription is free from the app. There is also an option to put a micro SD card with a maximum of 32 GB, and it also has a 15-hour limit, and once when the limit is reached, the last footage automatically gets deleted for a new one. You can also do a two-way audio communication with real-time video streaming capabilities both on the iOS and your Android phone. It also comes with motion detection alert setup where once when the camera identifies any motion, it automatically alerts through a message. The camera stand is detachable and you can remove the camera to use it as an independent unit. As mentioned earlier, the camera is nothing if the app ecosystem is not user friendly, and as you can see, the app ecosystem is pretty user friendly and can connect to the camera and also all the alerts in a pretty easy and a convenient way. And as you can see, I'm doing a two-way audio communication through the device, and the app is pretty user friendly. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off. Till then, bye bye.